Honestly, I have no idea how to do this intro, but this is me testing out my new mic. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Alexa. Today we're going to be doing my makeup. Stay tuned. I am someone who struggles with acne, and I have tried so many different things, and I've seen what's worked and I've seen what hasn't worked for me personally. As much as I really try to take care of my face sometimes, I still get acne scars. So right here you can see these are literally just acne scars. It's not really active acne. Right here it's honestly getting so much better, but we still got a little work ahead of us. I got a lot of problem areas, obviously. Honestly, guys, I have timed myself before doing my makeup, trying to do a full face of makeup really fast, as fast as I can. And I can do it in 7 minutes. I honestly don't have a lot of steps because my daily makeup is just kind of simple, kind of a little easy. So first step of my makeup routine is I always moisturize my face, but I already got that out of the way, so I'm not even gonna do that. Next thing I normally do is I use this vitamin C serum. Works really good with my scars and stuff, so this is the next step that I normally take. I got my mirror right here. After I use the serum, I kind of just let my face dry a little bit, and then this is my makeup bag. I thrifted it for like $3. Love it. I love this color. I usually use these clips to get the hair out of my face. We're just gonna go ahead and do that. And now that the serum is all dried, we're gonna go ahead and go in with the little color corrector. But you have to be very careful with this because it is really strong, and if you don't use it properly, the green will show, and that's what we don't want. I put very little of this, and I only really put it on my major problem areas, so right here. It's very little. And then I kind of just blend it out a little bit with my finger. Anyways, next step after the green concealer is kind of blended, we're gonna get some loose powder. And I usually take kind of the bottom of my beauty blender, and I just go like this. Just right on where the concealer is. You don't need too much. Boom. Done. Step out of the way. After I do the setting powder, I apply foundation, and I use this Fit Me one. It's not really full coverage, so if you want more of a full coverage kind of look, get a full coverage foundation, but this is just something that I use, and it's my shade, so I keep using it. I kind of shake it up so I can get some foundation on my finger, and I just do little dots. I go in and blend in with my wet beauty blender. See how that's literally problem solved. Done. Now we're gonna go in with contour, and I usually use a contour stick. This one is by Wet n Wild. Works just fine. Boom. I kind of just go along my cheekbones like that. Do you guys see that? That little shadow, and I have no I haven't put on any contour on that side, but that's just that's one of my very few flexes that I have. Just had to show you guys, but we're gonna go ahead and enhance that. A little bit on the forehead. You don't need too much. Just like that. Blend. Boom. Concealer done. Out of the way. After contour, I do my blush. And honestly, guys, my blush little palette is barely surviving. Got this at like Ulta for like those 5 for 10 little trinkets. Been using this like all of 2024. She's made it to 2025, so, and I never use this side. Never use this side. I like to take a little like nice little angled brush, and we're gonna do a little bit of a blush overload. It's gonna look a little bit scary, but bear with me now. When I'm applying blush, I like to smile to kind of like get it on like my cheekbones. You just want to go all the way down here, and you want to go upwards. Now I know that looks like a lot, but just trust the process, okay? I also like to add a little bit of blush on my nose, the tip of my nose, just a very, very light, very lightly. Boom, blush is done. We're looking a little bit crazy, but that's totally okay. Next, now we're gonna get the other side of the contour stick is a concealer. So we're just gonna take this concealer. This is just the one that I use, and we're gonna go boom, just like that. You honestly don't need too much concealer. I kind of just put it under my eyes. Sometimes a little splash here, sometimes a little splash on my chin, actually. Just gonna blend it out. And then you guys are gonna want to like blend kind of like in a triangle outwards motion. I do get some compliments by customers on my blush, so that's how I do it, guys. This blush that I use, I keep it secure with a hair tie, because otherwise there's gonna be blush on all of my makeup products. Next step. It's not really a step, but after I kind of like finish up my base, I just clean up my lips with the makeup wipe. And it looks like we're done, but we're not done, okay? Next step is the eyeliner. I know some people have trouble with this, but literally just look straight when you're doing your eyeliner. Don't do any weird angles, nothing. It's really not super complicated once you get like the practice and stuff. Just look straight. I do this every day. Please go. Boom. Eyeliner done. Yeah, done. The next step is mascara, and I already did one eye to kind of like show you what it looks like. I did no lash prep or anything. This is the mascara that I use. It's called Call Me Queen. Tell me why. My little 10-year-old's cousin recommended this to me. If you're watching this, I love you, because I literally bought it the next day. Boom, ordered it, got it the next day. And I love this mascara, and I don't even really need lash prep. I also kind of lost my lash curler. I don't know where it is, but it's okay. We can manage. This mascara helps me manage. This is no lash prep. I'm gonna do the other eye now. Okay, so lashes done. I don't really do anything to my eyebrows. When I do stuff to my eyebrows, I feel like I look crazy. Um, but yeah, my eyebrows is honestly not really anything to it. Actually, I really need to get my eyebrows done. One of my really good friends, she gets her eyebrows done all the time, and her eyebrows always look amazing. And every single time I tell her I need to get my eyebrows done, she's like, I literally just went 2 days ago. Like, literally every single time. So I'm always stuck here with my eyebrows not on fleek, but hers, love her eyebrows. Okay, eyebrows are brushed, done. Literally all the thing is left is like my lipstick, which I use this lipstick. I don't know what brand brand it is, but it's called Double Shot Shade 111. Love this color. It's kind of intense, so I just dab it on. After that, my best friend gave me this lip oil and I absolutely love it. Used it up. But lip oil makes your lips so much more glossier than lip gloss. Oh, that's literally my makeup routine. So my cat is missing. We don't know where he is. Um, for those of you guys who don't know, I have 3 cats. One indoor. Oh, I'm not flipping you guys off. One indoor and 2 outside. Um, my 2 outdoor cats, I have Ginger and I have Tigre. So tiger in Spanish. We haven't seen Tiger in hours and we don't know where he is. We've been looking in the backyard and there's a lot of space in my backyard, so there's like a lot of like little places that he can go into, but like it's been so long, he would be coming back for food. And my cats never leave the backyard, so we have no idea where he is. We're a little bit worried, but we're hoping he will come back maybe tonight or soon, but we're still looking for them. But my mom just came into my room to like tell me, like she's checking like the cameras outside and have not seen it. So we don't know if he like left off with one of his little cat friends, because I know there's like a little outdoor street cat that be coming into our backyard, and I know they be chatting. Yeah, I know they chat. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos that you want to see in the future, like more makeup videos like this, because honestly, I love doing makeup. I absolutely love doing makeup, and I do so many different makeup looks. I've done clown makeup, I've done skeleton makeup. I'll try to like find pictures and insert them, but I try to be like really creative with my makeup stuff. So let me know if you guys like want to see more makeup videos. Earlier when I first got these mics, me and my siblings were like testing out the audio and seeing how well it worked, and I'm very impressed with this. This was like 15 bucks, I think. Very happy with my purchase. Also, I actually did just film another video before this one, and it's gonna be another cleaning YouTube short. My little sister helped me out with that one, so if you see like her little arms in the frame, like putting stuff down, and kind of she wanted to help, and I let her. And honestly, we had so much fun. We were just there cleaning her room, so you guys are gonna see her room. Let me know if you guys like those videos though. Is this cute? I don't know if it's cute. My mom brought it home and I was like, can I have that? I don't know if it's cute. It's very old style, but I kind of liked it. Not 100% sure. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.